from the makers of POWEROWL, our 1.2 volt AA rechargeable battery, a 16 pack. 2,800 milliamp with 1,200 cycles, 70% of 3-year life shelf of use. You have your 16 AA batteries. With the logo of POWEROWL, your positive, negative goes into your POWEROWL rechargeable case sold separately. As we put in, we are recharging like that. Place into your favorite chargers and allow to charge. AA batteries can be used for everything. Transmitters, controllers, anything that takes a AA battery. Replace your AA batteries that are inside your remote control. POWEROWL are rechargeable over and over. The POWEROWL AA AAA battery charger has charged all AA batteries, as you can see. AA batteries for just about everything imaginable. Simply take out and place in a new set of AA batteries to charge your products like so. You turn on, test your unit, see if it works, and you're good to go. When ready to recharge, simply put them back into its cradles of the chargers you have and charge for the next time, like so, to run your RC products. Simply turn on and off you go. POWEROWL makes AA, AAA batteries and chargers. Check online for further details about your 16-pack AA batteries that you are looking for your needs of remote controls, controllers, anything that uses AA batteries. Thank you for viewing.